Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off Find My iPhone without Apple ID password. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead to my settings, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead to the general, scroll a little bit down, and what you're going to find, transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it, and what you're going to see two options at the bottom. Go ahead and click erase all content and settings, and basically what you're going to do, you're going to continue, and then you're going to be able to add your passcode, and basically they will ask you for your Apple ID password. Just click forgot this password, and you're gonna enter your passcode on your iPhone, and then you're gonna be able to enter the new password. So after you enter the new password, click not now right here, go back to the settings, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and click on my Apple ID icon, and basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and click Find My, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the Find My iPhone, and then I'm gonna toggle this one off, and I'm gonna enter my my new password of my Apple ID, and then that should fix your problem. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.